Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super simple yet highly productive way to grow cucumbers at home using a recycled container. With just an old plastic bin and a little daily care, you can easily grow a lush cucumber garden full of clean, fresh, homegrown cucumbers for your family. Your like and subscribe make this little garden bloom. Thank you. Now, let's start sprouting the seeds and planting together. Just follow these simple steps, and you'll soon have strong cucumber seeds. Today, I'm using a recycled 20-liter container to grow cucumbers at home. Reusing old containers like this saves money and lets you grow plenty of fresh, clean cucumbers for your family. One small comment from you can make this garden bloom brighter. To improve the soil quality, I mix worm compost with the soil to make it loose and nutrient-rich. This helps the cucumber plants root quickly, grow stronger, and produce a higher yield. After a few days of sprouting, the seeds have germinated and grown into healthy young plants. I transplant them into the 20-liter container so they have more space and nutrients to grow strong and vigorous. If you're still watching, please leave a like. It means the world to me. Now that the plants have rooted and are growing well, I continue adding worm compost to provide extra nutrients. Worm compost helps loosen the To help the plants stay firm and strong, I add more soil around the base. This extra layer keeps the roots stable, improves moisture retention, and allows the cucumber plant to grow more vigorously. To prevent the plants from lacking nutrients, I continue adding worm compost to the base. This helps maintain a steady nutrient level, allowing the cucumbers to grow strong, develop greener leaves, and prepare well for flowering and fruiting. Every subscribe is a drop of water for this little green world. This is the stage where the plant is flowering and starting to set fruit, so it needs plenty of nutrients to support flower development and fruit growth. Providing the right nutrients at this time helps the plant produce larger, healthier, and more abundant cucumbers. This is also the stage when pests and fungi spread very quickly, so I mix MSG with water and spray it on the plants. MSG provides small amounts of sodium and glutamate, helping boost the plant's natural resistance, keep the leaves green. To increase the fruit-setting rate, I hand-pollinate the female flowers using the male flowers. This helps the female flowers receive enough pollen, allowing them to set fruit faster, more abundantly, and grow more evenly. Your one light keeps this tiny garden alive. Don't let it wither. It's amazing! With my simple growing and care method, I now have plenty of cucumbers right at home. They're fresh, clean, and completely safe for my family to enjoy. No chemicals, no preservatives. Harvesting my own cucumbers feels truly rewarding. If you find this video helpful and meaningful, try my method for yourself. I'm sure you'll be amazed by the productivity and results you can achieve. Every comment, every subscribe is a small seed of hope. Thank you.